You know what? I think I'm actually gonna cut this grass, man. I think I might be able to do it this morning. Get on top of things. Let's see, man. We might go and get to it. I'll get that gas poured up in there. Finish this side and take this bag off, cause y'all see how green this grass is, man. It's a little bit of rain, man. A little bit of rain to do it. We also got more leaves falling down. Y'all know I was just out here raking these leaves up. If y'all ain't seen them videos, y'all know they was just recently posted, so y'all just go back a little bit. Y'all see them up there. Also got some content dropping on the Invite Me channel, man, but you know, KG Go Hard, Invite Me, all the same thing. 2 different channels, same party. But y'all see it though, man. The grass is a lot more greener. That just come from just a little bit of water. You know, a little bit of rain go a long way. Good morning, though. Good morning, y'all. Early with it. Y'all see it, though, man. That's how life work, man. You feel me? You just thought it was dead and put a little water on it, and it came back. We wish that was true to say about, you know, some of the people that we might have lost along the way, man, but, you know, life just don't work like that. Just know that they went on to a better place. But y'all see it, though, man. It's almost time to really get out here and cut it. Look at this. Grass still wet from the little dew on it early this morning. Getting my socks wet. Y'all see it, though, man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out here and cut this for sure. That backyard, see, it's a little bit more shade in it. But y'all see how much greener it done got so fast? And that actually came from that little bit of rain on top of our trampoline actually providing shade in a lot of these spots out here that's used to be yellow. I moved the trampoline around different spots, that little bit of shade, protected for a while, and eventually it all turned back green. But yeah, we about to have to get to it, man. Most definitely. Mosquitoes out here too, y'all. It's that time of year though, it's fall. And we're gonna get to it though. But I just want y'all to know that, man, we making progress out here in the grass. It most definitely isn't as burnt and brown as it used to be. And that's progress. All right, so I'm thinking, I think I got leaves still in here. Nope, I dumped them last time, perfect. You know what? I think I'm actually gonna cut this grass, man. I think I might be able to do it this morning. Get on top of things. Let's see, man, we might go and get to it. Y'all know it ain't no time like the present, so we ain't gonna waste no time, man. It's a little bit wet, but I think our Toro can handle it. Throw these runners on real quick. Get this yard together. Move this weight up out of here. God, need to get back out here and start using this stuff for real. But I've been a little busy lately. Hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to get it together, but right now we finna focus on the matter at hand. And since the trampoline already over there, I think I'm gonna start cutting this right here just because it's already available. And you know what? I'm gonna do it like this. Pull this trampoline up. That way I can cut this whole piece right here. Yeah, this grass nice and wet. If y'all ain't already subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all do that, man. You know, you're trying to get these numbers up, trying to get the support up, and we're trying to step our content up, man. But I ain't taking no breaks, though. Every day I'm putting something on there, man. You feel me? I'm working every single day. And that's the motivation I'm trying to inspire everybody else to have, encourage everybody else to have, all of that, man. So tap in. If y'all new to the channel, y'all found a good one, I promise. All right. Now I'm just run through this side right here like this. What y'all think? Y'all think I should cut the front part of the yard first? I'll probably cut the front first. Move that over there. I think I might cut the front. Let's see if I got gas. Boom, we got gas. We're gonna top it off though, just in case. We don't wanna run out. Once we get going, we gone. So, I'll get that gas poured up in there. Shouldn't really need that much, but we did use a lot. Mulching those leaves up. Like I said, if y'all ain't seen that, man, I got some of that on both channels. Invite me and the KG Go Hard channel, man. So appreciate y'all going back, check them out, support your boy, give me some guidance along the way if I'm doing something that ain't right, you feel me? Get you some motivation when I'm delivering it. Well, all right, that's it. I don't like using this little pour cap spout thing, so I'd be taking it off. Probably never use it, brand new joint. But let's get this party started. We're gonna go to the front first. So we got a pretty decent sized yard, y'all. Did a little work after I cut that first part. I'm gonna go back and get these out the way. That's a goose over there too, y'all. What is that noise? My neighbor got a goose over there somewhere. We're gonna get it, y'all. We're gonna get right to it. Let y'all see it, man. It's the side going around to the front. Great job, real fast, real quick. Y'all see the sweat, y'all know what it is. Came through real quick though, you hear me? All the way on the other side of the gate, all that. I ain't used no edger, no trimmer or nothing, just went all the way down through there. All the way down the other side. So yeah, how quick I'm moving, don't take that long. I'm gonna get the blower and blow all this stuff off the way, but y'all see it though. Now, go back here and the sun coming up now. You know, I gotta beat that Texas heat.